There we go. There we go. For over 2 hours, y'all. This is what we went through. For over 2 hours. Uncle Grandpa. Keith, you got something you want to say, baby?
Not a damn thing.
This our new friend.
So play.
This our new friend. For over 2 hours. This is what we going, baby. Yeah. This right here. The women don't hide. I got to put you on Facebook. Ain't no need to hide.
That's all right.
There we what you say? They going on Facebook, y'all. We on our way to Vegas. We doing this. They going on Facebook. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Ain't no yeah, I see. There you go. Yeah. We done did the Uncle Grandpa, your Reverend. We done did it all, yeah. All right. This is starting Keith's birthday weekend. See, that's our new friend over there.
Hallelujah.
Jeez.
All right, y'all.
Hello, Facebook.
Facebook bombing. This is our experience on Spirit Airlines. I can't say don't get behind couples or married people because I'm married. Thank you. Have a good day. Yes, would you like to say something? Oh no, baby, you going on Facebook? You done, for 2 hours? For 2 hours?